Thing I really want to show you guys tonight, and it's exciting and it's big. It's a Louis Vuitton and it's vintage and it's in great shape. 20 years old at least. Yeah, it's 20. And it's right here in this lovely vintage dust bag. You guys all fall asleep. Here it is. This is the Noe GM. I know you all have seen this classic style before, and you may already own it. It is lovely. It is big. It's indestructible. Commissioned by a champagne company to carry champagne. The carrier holds 5 bottles. I hope that's enough for everyone. So they would put 1 bottle at each corner and then 1 upside down in the middle, cinch it up, and go off on their picnic. So I know you all don't go every day carrying around 5 bottles of champagne, but it's so big it can carry plenty of other things that you need, and maybe just 1 bottle of champagne to share. Excellent condition. You can hear how thick it is. Look at that color. And the vachetta has a really light patina. Hardly any stains. It actually kind of looks new. Brass needs to be a little bit shined up, but we all know the trick to that. Look at that. Even the drawstring is in great shape. It's soft. It doesn't have all those little micro tears in it. Look at that. Really pretty. Strap has no weak spots, no little minor cracks, even not even a surface crack that I've seen. And of course this top trim, which gets all the abuse, is intact and lovely. Bottom might have a couple of spots. I haven't really worked on any, may not. D-ring to put your key clay, especially if you're traveling. Just whipped out. Show your security guy. Nice and clean inside. It really has no wear at all. They maybe wore it a couple of times. There. Imagine what you can put in there. And then you can cinch it up. This is tempting to keep, but I do have the randonnée and I don't need another style. Well, I want it. I don't need it. So here's how it looks on. I've been out and about watering the garden, so I'm kind of in my scruffs. So it's a very pretty bag. It needs to be steamed, of course. And I think you might know that trick. You steam it from the inside and it gets out the wrinkles. You never want to stuff your bag because it'll stretch the canvas and you don't want that. But this is an amazing condition. I have never seen one in this great a shape at all. It's lovely. And I will be posting it, so look for it.